Still too hot for me to go walk out in there. I'm standing basically where I parked my car, and it feels like it did midday Saturday, not being around any fires. So this thing is still burning underneath all of this rubble. Got my neighbor's house too that they were working on. I'll get you more here. I don't know how well you can tell, but there's what's left of my garden hose I had out here in the front yard. That's the first thing I've been able to figure out what it is. This would be the living room, looking back west and south. On the west side, this would have been looking through the west window towards where my big screen once was. I think I see it laying in a heap, part of it down there. That big piece of metal there, I'm sure that's probably it. It was mounted on that wall. There's the coffee table. There's one of the end tables. There's the other end table right there. Man, I've never seen anything like this before. There's the washer dryer, which looked like the dryer stayed upright. The washer wanted to collapse with the wall, apparently. And then on the other side over towards the car is where the bedroom was. Let's walk over towards the kitchen area, the back porch. Gotta be careful around here. I know the power's out, but this is where electric lines ran at one time. Looks like it's safe. See, there's some of the electric lines right there. Will be the back steps going in to the kitchen, to where the bar was, and then the kitchen area. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Right there's about where the second floor was, so somewhere up in there. It was right above. Saying it seriously without trying to laugh, it was right above this section of the house. Right in this area here is the only area the second floor covered. I'm afraid to even step onto the back porch area here because of all of the nails and screws and anything else that might be smoldering and hot. It looked like, from what I'm seeing here, it looks like the wall just gave in and just fell here to the east. Looks like this east wall just gave way and just fell right down on the porch. I got chunks of drywall everywhere. It's really hot standing up here, so it's probably cooking from underneath still. Here we move into the kitchen area where nothing was ever really prepared anyways. There's my stove. You know, I love that sink. It was a big, massive sink. It's still intact. That's amazing. And then I can't really tell what all of that tangled mess is. I'm gonna have to look. Okay, that's the refrigerator. That's what that is. All right. And then there's that sink. Still with some dirty dishes in them that needed to be done. The dishwasher melted completely. There's my air conditioning unit. And I have no idea exactly what happened here, but I've got nails. I don't know if it's showing up or not, but just in perfect lines all through the ground here. I don't know if the roof maybe caved this way and fell and then burnt all up. That could be. The ground's pretty warm here too. Anyways, there's the parents taking the dog for a walk. We've always insisted she be on the leash when she's over here anyways, so we're going to keep her there. It's still smoldering over there. This is amazing. I'm glad I wasn't in the house when this happened. I was called and woke up about 1 o'clock, then had to go to work and was there when this happened. Here's the shop, or the shed. There's my lawnmower. It's
Toast.
it's it's in great shape. What used to be my old dead tree. Yeah, there's channel 23. I already talked to channel 2 and NBC National News. Channel 8's up the road. Haven't seen 6.